Now we're going to talk about inversions of triads. So inversions can occur for any of the four qualities of triads we talked about: a major, minor, diminished, augmented. For this example, we'll be using a major triad, in this case C, as an example. Inversions are reordering the order of notes given in a triad. For example, if I have a C triad right here, with C being on the bass note, then E and G, I basically have what we call a root position triad, meaning that the first note, the third, and then the fifth. So C is my root, or the first, E is my third, and G is my fifth of the chord. Now, I can rearrange it by moving my bottom note, which is C, up an octave. If I do so, I will get what we call a first inversion triad. Now, I have my third being on the bottom, which is going to be E, then the fifth, which is G, and then C, the root, on top. So here's what it looks like on the staff paper. Have E in the bottom, G above that, and then my C up an octave. Next, if I take my E and move it up an octave for my first inversion, I will get a second inversion, meaning that I will have my G being in the bottom, then C, and then E. So second inversion would be 5, 1, 3. The fifth of the chord is on the bottom, then the root, then the third. So it looks like this. So I would have my G staying there, then I would have my C, and then my E. So this is the second inversion of a C major triad. As I said before, this works with any one of the four qualities of triads. You always have a root position, a first inversion, and a second inversion. I'll play for you what each one of these sound like. So here's a root position C major triad. Next we have it in first inversion. And here it is in second inversion.